But if you look at the things that happened during the month of April, they were very, very deliberate. You see what Raila went, got it. We had said that there will be a handshake government. It happened. And you know, you need also to look at things that happened. We said that there will be a handshake government. It happened. They signed an agreement. And they, remember we had said earlier, they want to fix Ruto from inside and from outside. It is during that month they did so, and also it is the same month that you see Matiang'i comes in, and then you can see the betrayal beckoning. As we said, Ruto will be betrayed by the Raila group. As I explained to you earlier, you can remember when I explained to you that there are two groups in Raila camp, which is not coincidental, it is well planned. I told you about Sifuna and another group fighting. And I told you about Muhammad, this Muhammad guy from Junet Muhammad, in the government, fighting to make sure the deal is done, but another group trying to stop the deal. And I told you that was gimmick. It was both the teams are together. They go meet somewhere and they tell us, this one, fight. We get in. And you see now Orengo has come, started now profiling the entire system. You see now this lady, the Iron Lady of the ODM, Wanga, coming out strongly. And you see this kind of a revolution that is coming in, as we had said, that there will be a revolution. And they said them from the month, I remember very well telling you that it is from the month of April going to June, there will be total chaos. As you can see, things are really, Ruto is not even sleeping. Things are not working for him. If you look at the last 1 week, Sifuna and the group, what they are pushing, they are bringing out facts on why this thing will not work. It is a preparation, because Raila is a smooth operator. It is a preparation for Raila now to come out and say, you have betrayed our MOU. That is where Orengo came shouted. But Oburu, the brother to Raila, is on the other side of Raila. Junet Mohammed, the other side. But if you look at the things critically, how they are not in the government. And this thing escalated when Matiang'i came. Before that, things were going slower.